First, you need to directly download this Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5 offline installer. It is applicable for all Windows 8 and 10 and 7 also. Go to this file and right click on this file as run as administrator. Then click on yes, and a small box is open. Then you need to go to the this boot driver, that is the recovery or disk drive, whatever you need to plug in. Then you need to mount it in your PC. Then make sure that you need to go to the sources folder, and the SXS, this SXS folder should be existing in this boot drive. And go back and make sure select the Windows 8 installation in this media from with H drive, that is my recovery drive is H. Then browse as X as the H drive. In this you need to go to the sources and then to the SXS. You need to go to select this SXS folder and click OK, and then click on start installation. After that it will install the necessary .NET Framework software. Yeah, congratulations, your Microsoft .NET Framework 3.5 has been successfully installed. Click OK and goodbye. Thanks for watching.